Oh, we're going down in the hole. And we're going right. Yeah, this was all that mud hole like last.
Yep, I remember it.
And I was sideways in the trail.
Yep.
Oh, that's actually mud though. Oh, that guy's stuck in mud.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna end up falling in mud.
Which way do you gotta go? Can you go around it?
Yep.
We got our own problems right now. We can't stop.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna make it to
We gotta get to lunch before it's over.
I know, I'm like, we need to get moving. Lunch waits for no man. And my phone's like, say a command. Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna have to resituate my phone so it stops pressing buttons. I'll play Bouncy. Left.
Okay.
Right. Oh, that's not bad. There's a log. All right. Fudge sickles.
What's the matter?
Oh, there's a log. No, I got right over it. Okay. Everybody around?
I heard Johnny's bike.
Okay. That's good enough for me. Watch the log to the left that's sticking out of the trail.
Oh yeah, see it. Couldn't see it till the dust settled.
So many branches. And we're taking her right. And a straight. And we're on the last loop-de-loop out of here. Nice like rice. We're not taking the advanced, we're taking a left.
Yep. This is the advanced, is the one that goes up the real sharp hill, or the real steep hill where that girl got stuck.
Oh, so that's, you're right, because my thing says the other way.
Yeah, because that's the way we went, but with him with a flat tire, we can't do that.
Yeah, because mine, it shows us looping way out.
Yep, that's why, because that's that hill, real sharp hill.
Yeah, sharp and steep.
Yep.
With the culvert.
The pipe in the middle of it.
All right, Rocky Station. It's like riding a horse. Oh man, I'm freewheeling. Ah, I can do this. I didn't want it to hold me back, so I just gassed it. Yeah, we cut off a lot of the journey doing that. Okay, there's people. Oh yeah, because this is where it meets up, right here. And everybody's got flat tires.
Yeah. This guy's brave.
There's bikes coming back.
He's got his bike. That guy, he's got his bike on that side and he's like right in the trail pumping his tire up. It was like, hold off, jeez.
Right. Straight. There's a hoop diggy on the right hand track. Right. So yeah, we could have just cut all of that off, but I mean, we came here to ride. You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know where them guys are. They're not behind me, so.
That guy was like laying down, I was making sure he was okay. This is the way out right here, D-Hoss Road. We're on the straight stretch now.